So working through the API testing challenges at apichallenges.herokuapp.com, and the next challenge I'm going to do is the get todos any. Now you can see that I've already passed this challenge. I haven't actually done this challenge yet. So the reason that I've passed is because by doing some of the previous challenges, the conditions for this challenge have already been met. So let's see why that happened. Now the challenge here is issue a GET request on the todos endpoint with an accept header of */ which basically says I will accept anything. But I haven't sent that header through. So let's see what's happening. If I go on the get todos and I delete this accept header, I have no accept header. So if I send the request, it's coming back in JSON. But one thing we have to be careful with is that sometimes our tools help us. So if I look at the timeline, I can see that the tool Insomnia has actually sent through the request with an accept header, accept */*. So it solved the challenge for me. So I need to learn how to be a little bit more specific. So if I add that header, accept, and then put in the value */*, which basically means I will accept anything, and send it. Now I've deliberately sent that through, and I can see that the challenge is successfully done. But the accept header is important, and we have control over it. And sometimes we're not aware of the fact that our application itself is doing things on our behalf. So I'm not going to check whether I've passed the challenge because I know I've already passed the challenge, but if I hadn't, that would have passed the challenge. If you want to work through the challenges yourself, you can find all the information you need at eviltester.com/API challenges. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you're kept up to date with any of the videos we release showing API challenges or APIs in general or testing in general. We have a lot of content here. Subscribe to the channel and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.